Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will explore what inspires to transform discarded wood into stunning minimalist shelving for your home and making big profit ideas. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Transforming discarded wood into stunning minimalist shelving is not just a creative pursuit. It's a powerful statement of sustainability, artistry, and economic opportunity. In a world increasingly aware of environmental concerns, the ability to turn what was once considered waste into something functional and beautiful represents a meaningful shift in how we view resources, design, and craftsmanship. For a woodworker, this practice goes far beyond the mere creation of furniture. It embodies a philosophy of renewal, a celebration of imperfection, and a tangible example of how environmental responsibility can coexist with aesthetic refinement and financial growth. Discarded wood, often found in demolition sites, old barns, or even urban waste piles, carries with it the story of time. Each weathered grain, knot, and scar becomes part of a new narrative when transformed into minimalist shelving, pieces that blend seamlessly into modern interiors while holding an authentic, rustic soul. This marriage of past and present offers a design language that appeals deeply to contemporary sensibilities, simple, purposeful, and grounded in authenticity. In a market where consumers are increasingly drawn to unique, sustainable home decor, handcrafted shelving made from reclaimed wood holds immense appeal. It is not just a product, it's a conversation piece that connects the buyer to the craftsman's vision and to the broader movement toward eco-conscious living. The significance of this transformation also lies in the emotional and aesthetic dimensions it brings to home spaces. Minimalist shelving made from reclaimed wood serves as a subtle reminder that beauty can emerge from what was once overlooked or discarded. Each shelf embodies the principle that simplicity can be deeply expressive, and that nature's imperfections are not flaws to hide but features to celebrate. The gentle texture of aged wood, the natural variations in color, and the soft patina developed over years all contribute to an atmosphere of warmth and authenticity that mass-produced furniture often lacks. For homeowners, these pieces bring character and soul to otherwise sterile spaces, making them both functional and deeply personal. For the woodworker, every shelf becomes a canvas for creativity and self-expression, a chance to shape a story from raw, forgotten material. The process of sanding, cutting, and sealing discarded planks into sleek, geometric forms represents a quiet meditation on transformation, patience, and purpose. It teaches respect for the material and a deep awareness of the natural cycles of use and renewal. From an economic perspective, transforming discarded wood into minimalist shelving opens an accessible and profitable avenue for sustainable entrepreneurship. Unlike traditional woodworking, which often requires expensive raw materials, reclaimed wood can often be sourced at little to no cost, drastically reducing production expenses. This allows craftsmen to focus on skill, design innovation, and quality without the burden of high material overhead. In today's eco-driven marketplace, consumers are willing to pay a premium for items that tell a story and align with their values of sustainability and responsible consumption. Each piece of shelving thus becomes both a functional object and an ethical choice, enabling woodworkers to carve out a niche in a competitive market. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. By branding their work around eco-conscious design and authenticity, artisans can position themselves as both creators and environmental advocates. Moreover, this kind of craftsmanship lends itself beautifully to digital storytelling. Through platforms like Instagram, Etsy, and YouTube, woodworkers can share their process, showcase the transformation from raw waste to refined product, and connect directly with audiences who value transparency and craftsmanship. This online visibility not only drives sales, but also builds brand loyalty and community around the maker's philosophy. The practice also supports local economies and promotes sustainable production models. By using locally sourced discarded wood, woodworkers help reduce deforestation and transportation emissions while encouraging circular economies, systems in which resources are reused and reimagined rather than disposed of. Each project becomes an act of preservation, breathing new life into materials that would otherwise contribute to landfill waste. Furthermore, this approach encourages collaboration with local demolition crews, carpenters, and designers, creating small networks of mutual benefit. These connections can evolve into workshops, art collectives, or eco-focused businesses that share both resources and ideas, ultimately fostering a culture of creative sustainability. For those who approach woodworking not only as a trade but as a lifestyle, transforming discarded wood into minimalist shelving represents a perfect fusion of purpose and profit, where craft meets conscience and where skill becomes a means of environmental storytelling. Beyond economics, this transformation carries a symbolic and emotional significance that resonates deeply with both creators and consumers. Each shelf becomes a metaphor for resilience, the idea that even what seems broken or unwanted can find new form and function through vision and effort. In a sense, the act of reclaiming wood mirrors the human capacity to renew and reinvent. This emotional depth enhances the perceived value of the finished product, elevating it from simple furniture to meaningful art. As interior design trends move increasingly toward minimalism, biophilic design, and sustainable living, such shelving perfectly fits the aesthetic and ethical needs of modern homes. The clean lines and natural textures of minimalist shelves provide visual calm and balance, offering both storage and serenity. They help declutter physical and mental space, aligning with the philosophy that less is more, and that simplicity, when crafted with care, can evoke profound beauty. From a technical standpoint, working with discarded wood challenges and refines a woodworker's skills. Each piece of reclaimed timber presents unique conditions, warps, cracks, varying densities that require adaptive craftsmanship. Learning to work with these imperfections sharpens problem-solving abilities and inspires innovation in design and joinery techniques. Over time, this experience not only enhances technical mastery but also strengthens a woodworker's creative identity. The imperfections of reclaimed wood force the artisan to think differently, to see possibility in irregularity, and to create harmony where chaos once existed. This constant dialogue between material and maker nurtures a deeper respect for craftsmanship as both an art and an act of sustainability. In essence, the significance of transforming discarded wood into stunning minimalist shelving lies in its ability to merge artistry, ethics, and economy. It embodies a new kind of craftsmanship, one that honors the environment, celebrates individuality, and supports sustainable livelihoods. It proves that sustainability and profitability need not be at odds, but can coexist harmoniously through thoughtful design and genuine craftsmanship. For the modern woodworker, this practice is a way to create beauty with purpose, to build a business rooted in authenticity, and to inspire others to see potential where others see waste. Each shelf becomes a quiet declaration that renewal is possible, that simplicity can be powerful, and that true artistry lies not in perfection but in transformation. In a world eager for meaning and mindful living, the humble act of reclaiming wood becomes a profound gesture, a reminder that what we discard may yet hold the power to enrich our homes, our environment, and our lives. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked stunning minimalist shelving for your home and making big profit ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.